Hello everybody, and in this video we will learn how to add in Excel. You can add numbers in Excel in multiple ways. I'll show you how you can do them. Like for example, in this data we have the names of our students and the subjects in which they scored these marks. Now if we need to do a total, how do we do that? To do that, the first way is type in is equal to, open your bracket and select this cell, enter a plus sign, select this cell, enter a plus sign, select this cell and close the bracket, and it will give you the total. That is one way. The other way is wherein you open the type in is equal to, open the bracket, type in the number like this, plus sign, type in the number, enter the plus sign, type in the next number, enter the plus sign and close the bracket. This is one way. Another way, plus there is another way wherein you can add number is equal to by typing is equal to and using the sum formula. What does it say? Sum formula adds all the numbers in a range of cells. So you press shift and open the bracket and select this range, close the bracket, and you get your sum over here. There's one more trick that you press Alt and the is equal to key together. Alt and the is equal to key together. It will automatically select this range, a continuous range, and give you the sum. So this is how you can do totals in Excel. You can even do totals in a way wherein different rows are involved, different data sets are involved, like is equal to sum, open the bracket, choose this row, comma, choose this row, comma, and choose this row, and close the bracket. And now this 1140 is the total of these three. Of course, it doesn't make sense to have it over here. All right. So this is how you create totals or add numbers in Excel. A very, very easy way is Alt and the is equal to key being pressed together. You can even copy the formula. Where this formula is applied, you click on the cell and press Ctrl C and select where you want to paste the formula and press Ctrl V. There is another way. You click on the cell which has the formula, right click it, do a copy, and right click the target destination, right click it and click on paste. See, so very simple. So this is how you add in Excel.